Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ïaknieh University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Kumbashispa prapun rengun ki Samla shenrang bat kentei. Nabaro koi gejala kilapoi hamadan siat khnam jong kasai STC kabadan hanihu banyak kon nak benta banyak khori kita kama haka Meghalaya State Archery Championship bala pelong dak Archery Association of Meghalaya ya kabala kershan pisa dak Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka sarkar jela. Kani kajing kop kapalai sengi kapala sedang nado ka khatwai terik nailar aja pan riau on sapen kon haka khatlai terik nailar aja pan riau. La pli kani kajing kop dak sekretari jong katanan Sports and Youth Affairs ka sarkar jela ka kong Isa Wanda lalu. Kabala longkum ka kongsan ringkat kajing dan lang kanong aibot jong ka Archery Association of Meghalaya ka kong Matsiu Dorwar nong beri General Secretary ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association upa Faini El Parian Wastan Director ka Sports and Youth Affairs upa Kraubok Pasa bat kiwei. Shwa ka jingilang pli kladan ru ka jing penyakhun ya ka qualification Indian round ka kerdan yele ka sub junior ki kentai bat kishenrang. Bat hadin ka jingilang pli lapan buat pan sa jing penyakhun ya ka individual elimination kentai bat chenrang Indian round sub junior.
Things which you do from time to time, hanging out with your friends. Gratitude to the Archery Association of Meghalaya, its chief advisor, who is also my colleague in the government, Madam Matsiu Dorwar Nangbri, who is herself a decorated athlete, an international technical official, a veteran of the sport. I think the state is fortunate to have a person such as you behind the sport, and I'm sure that under your guidance and continuous support that you give the association, it will go on to achieve much more in the years to come. President Paya Warnongbri, who has warmly invited me, Vice President Pasa, and all the other members of the association, I congratulate you for this event and for the numerous achievements which we know the State Archery Association of Meghalaya has achieved in the recent past. And we are very hopeful that there will be many more to come. I also convey my greetings to General Secretary of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, Faini Pariat, my colleague in the Sports Department, Assistant Director, Krobok Pasa, all the technical officials, the local organizing committees, everyone who is part of the association, who has rendered assistance and support to make this event what it is, friends from the press and media, and most importantly, my dear young athletes from around the state, all 12 districts. It is so wonderful to see you here, and I'm sure all of you are really geared up to compete, to do your best, to attain that much fight for podium finish and to go home with laurels. Today is a great day to be out and to see, a glimpse of what the state sports associations are doing, particularly in view of the fact that, as you all know, we are thick in the preparation for the upcoming national games. As Madam Nongbri has stated, the government is attempting to leave no stone unturned to render all possible support to the state associations, be it in procuring the best of human resources and coaches, equipment, developing infrastructure, and whatever else is needed to ensure that the ecosystem in which they train for the national games is one that is conducive and one that will produce medals for the state next year. Through the financial support which has been rendered through the state, almost 39 crores has been released to all the different associations. Total of 54 has been sanctioned. I'm so happy to state that the Archery Association of Meghalaya is one of a handful which has actually, showed deliverables, which has actually achieved a lot in this short period of time, and I congratulate all of you for the wonderful work that you have done. We are aware that ever since the team preparation exercise started, in which a total of 125 athletes have started undergoing the team preparation exercise under the association. You have won laurels for the state in the Khelo India Tribal Games recently. I think both the men's compound team event as well as the women's compound team event was backed by Meghalaya. There were several other, I think, events in which we secured a podium finish, and that shows us that all this effort that you are making, that the association is making, is translating itself into medals, into the outcomes that we want, which is to see our young boys and girls secure a podium finish and get, attain that prestigious medal which we are all vying for. And it was so wonderful to hear from Madam Matsudor about the rich rootedness which archery has always had in the state of Meghalaya, in these hills. You are the descendants and the beneficiaries of that wonderful tradition, and I think we should be proud and fortunate to carry on this tradition, even though it started off as something very traditional, something which was linked to perhaps to survival, to leisure. Now it is a competitive sport, a modern sport which has evolved in so many ways. We are thankful to everyone who has paved the way to this day. Madam mentioned, the veterans of the sport, the pioneers of the sport in the state, Shri Woodward, Solia, who went on to become the architect of the Indian round, I believe. So I think that it is wonderful that we have this rich history to look back to, and also we carry it with pride, and we hope that upon your slender shoulders, this, this challenge now rests of carrying the legacy of archery forward in the state and to showcase the potential of Meghalaya, not only within our state, in our region, but in the country and internationally as well.
Iperti yang tau ke Iwan, kuwi ke perom kuah Khynnah pi.
Ivan,ไปคอนแรมกว่าลายสกุลมั้งตอนฉันแน่พลังนี่ทำเป็นบทเองกินหลักพัก
บนเส้นกิบรุงจุกลีพาเกียงตั้งกี่ขมัดพร้อมชนะยี่หยอกพยได้
còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên su gà gram mò tao đã bốn gà gram tem etir đi pi tao con đây nè
Ïaknieh biểu ngài nên mà em khi mà vào đây tâm anh em già hết
em sẽ là ngâm sang kêu vào cậu
Kami dapat yang pergi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bawa cina bawa sains suruh.
Ngaku ahi amalai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai gua nongkong daga sampel desain gua ar, dah hikai daga desain mana je dia kan ya sampel desain.
Gini ke cek tu ram sorkar mah.
Kamu pada terang la do mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.